Good morning student. Today we will start next exercise 3.3 of our chapter 3 trigonometry. First of all, understand these formulas. Watch the Loom video. After that, exercise video. First question is that for 1 to 4 questions are same. First question is that prove that sin square pi by 6 plus cos square pi by 3 minus tan square pi by 4 is equal to minus of half. We know that cos pi by 6 that means sin pi by 6 that means sin 30. What is the value of sin 30? It is a 1 upon 2. 1 upon 2 square है तो square लेना. Okay, similarly cos pi by 3 60 cos 60 again 1 by 2 minus tan square pi by 4. Tan square pi by 4, tan 45 is 1 square. Okay, put this value. 1 over 4, 1 over 2, 1 over 2, 1 upon 4 plus 1 upon 4 minus 1, 1 by 4, take LCM beta 4 आ जाएगा. Then 1 plus 1 minus 4, it becomes minus 2 by 4. 1 plus 1, 2, 2 minus 4, minus 2. Now 2 2s are 4 minus 1 by 2. ये हमने proof करना था. This is our answer. Okay. Now second part try yourself. Now I will explain to you question number 3. The question 3 is same. Cot square pi by 6 plus cosecant 5 pi by 6 plus 3 tan square pi over 6 is equal to 6. Okay, we have to prove that this is equal to 6. Now take a left hand side. Okay बेटा, left hand side ली. हमारे पास है क्या? cot square. Cot square pi by 6 as it is रखो plus cosecant 5 pi by 6 है. Firstly you have to convert these radian angles into 0 to pi by 2. After that we have to put these values. Okay beta. Okay. Cosecant 5 pi by 6 को हम pi plus pi minus pi by 6 लिख सकते हैं. 6 1 सा 6, 6 1 minus, ठीक है, plus 3 tan square pi by 6. Cosecant 180 minus theta lie in a second quadrant. So cosecant 180 minus theta is equal to cosecant theta. So that's why this is equal to cot square pi by 6 plus this is equal to cosecant pi by 6 plus 3 into tan square pi upon 6. Put these values. Cot pi by 6. What is the value of cot pi by 6? That is our root 3 square plus cosecant pi by 6 means cosecant 30. Cosecant 30 is the reciprocal of sin 30. Sin 30 1 upon 2. So cosecant 30 is 2 plus 3 into tan square pi by 6. Tan square pi by 6, tan 30 1 upon root 3 whole square. Root 3 square, root 3 multiply root 3. It becomes 3 plus 2 plus 3 multiply 1 upon 3. 3 से 3 cancel हो गया बेटा. So that was 3 plus 2 plus 1. This is equal to 6. Understand? Third question. Now fourth question is same as it is. Now move to the question number 5. In question number 5, we have to find the value of sin 75 and tan 15. Here we apply AB formulas. Now first part is sin 75. Can we write sin 75 sin 45 plus 30? Because 30 plus 45 is a 75. So it becomes sin A plus B formula. We know that sin of A plus B is equal to sin A cos B plus cos A sin B, where A is 45 and B is 30. Put these values in our formula. So it becomes sin 45 cos 30 plus cos 45 into sin 30. Sin 45 is 1 upon root 2. Cos 30 root 3 upon 2 plus cos 45 again 1 upon root 2. Sin 30 is 1 upon 2. Multiply and solve, you get answer. This is our this. Take LCM 2 root 2, root 3 plus 1. Rationalize the square root number, that is root 2 multiply root 2. Root 3 multiply root 3, it becomes root 6 plus root 2 को 1 से multiply करेंगे root 2. 2 into root 2 into root 2. 2 आएगा 2 into 2, it becomes 4. ओके बेटा. सिमिलरली tan 15 को हम क्या लिख देंगे? tan 45 minus 30. Okay. Now move to the question number 6. Now in the sixth question we have to prove the following. We have given cos pi by 4 minus x, cos pi by 4 minus y minus sin pi by 4 minus x into sin pi by 4 minus y. We have to prove that this is equal to sine of x plus y. We know that by the formula cos A cos B. If we take it is the A, it is over B. Cos A cos B, sin A sin B. This is equal to which minus, this is equal to cos A plus B. According to our cos formula, this one. Okay. Formulas that are very important and you have to remember this formula. So that's why this is equal to cos pi by 4 minus x plus pi by 4 minus y. Pi by 4 plus pi by 4, that is, this is equal to cos pi by 2 because 45 plus 45, 95, pi by 4 is 45. So that's why this is equal to our pi by 2 minus x minus y. Okay, Bhaja? Now, cos of pi by 2, can we take minus common? Because x and y both are negative. Okay? Cos 90 minus theta is equal to, cos 90 minus theta is equal to sin theta. What is our theta? Theta is over x plus y. यही हमने बेटा प्रूव करना था. This is our answer. Okay? Understand this question? Now move to the question number 7. Now in 7th question we have to prove that tan pi by 4 plus x upon tan pi by 4 minus x is equal to 1 plus tan x upon 1 minus tan x the whole square. Okay. Now here we apply tan a plus b formula in numerator and tan a minus b formula in the denominator. या बेटा आप एक another formula भी याद रख सकते हो. हमारे पास होता है if we have a tan pi by 4 plus x then this is equal to 1 plus tan x, because अगर हम अपने फॉर्मूले tan a b फॉर्मूला में पुट करेंगे we know that tan pi by 4 is 1. अगर आप पुट करोगे tan 45 plus tan 40x, tan 45 becomes 1, या मल्टीप्लाई में आएगा तो वो भी 1 हो जाएगा. तो ये न्यू फॉर्मूला होता है. अगर माइनस है तो माइनस न्यूमिनेटर में आ जाएगा और प्लस डिनोमिनेटर में आ जाएगा. यही फॉर्मूला हमारे पास. यू हैव टू पुट दिस वैल्यू इन अवर क्वेश्चन. नाउ it becomes this one and it also apply on the denominator. Okay bacha. Now reciprocal, take a reciprocal. 1 plus tan x upon 1 minus tan x multiply 1 plus divide में है बेटा, तो ये रेसिप्रोकल 1 plus tan x 1 plus tan x, a plus b a plus b a plus b की होल स्क्वायर हो गया. ये हमने प्रूफ करना था. दिस इज अवर आंसर, अवर राइट आंसर. Hence proved. Okay. Now 8th question. We have given that cos pi plus x, cos minus x, sin pi minus x, cos pi by 2 plus x is equal to cot square x. Apply the formula cos 180 plus theta is equal to minus cos theta because cos lie in the third quadrant. 180 plus, so this is equal to minus cos x. Similarly, cos of minus x is equal this one. Sin 180 minus theta is equal to sin theta. So this is equal to sin x. Cos 90 plus theta is equal to minus sin theta, because in second quadrant cos is negative. Okay. Minus cancel by minus. Cos into cos. Cos square. Sin into sin. Sin square. Cos upon sin is equal to beta cot square. Understand? 9th and 10th question, try yourself. Now move to the question number 11. In question number 11, we have to prove that cos 3 pi by 4 plus x minus cos 3 pi by x pi by 4 minus x is equal to minus root 2 sin x. Here we apply the series formula, that means cos c minus cos d is equal to, this is equal to double of sin c plus d over 2 into sin d minus c over 2. Okay beta. Now what is over c? 3 pi by 4. What is over d? 3 pi by 4 minus x. So this is equal to 2 sin 3 pi by 4 plus x plus 3 pi by 4 minus x upon 2 into sin 3 pi by 4 minus x minus 3 pi by 4 minus x. साइन विल भी मैंने पहले ही चेंज कर दी बेटा. ओके. प्लस माइनस कैंसिल, प्लस माइनस कैंसिल. सो दिस इज इक्वल टू साइन 3 pi by 4, 3 pi by 4. It becomes 6 pi by 4 upon 2 into sin minus x or x 2x. Okay. Now it becomes 3 upon 2. So this is equal to sin 3 pi upon 4. 2 से 2 कैंसिल हो गया बेटा. तो ये हमारा आ गया साइन ऑफ माइनस एक्स. साइन 3 pi by 4 को हम कन्वर्ट कर देंगे आगे 0 to pi by की फॉर्म में. Then we write pi minus pi by 4. साइन ऑफ माइनस थीटा इज इक्वल टू माइनस साइन. तो माइनस आगे आ गया. तो माइनस 2 साइन 180 minus theta is equal to sin theta. In second quadrant, sin is positive. Okay. This is sin. Sin 45 is 1 upon root 2 into sin. Okay. Now 2 को हम root 2 into root 2 लिख सकते हैं. So this is equal to root 2 multiply root 2 over root 2 into sin x. Root 2 cancel beta. So this is over right hand side. You get the answer. Okay. Now come to the question number 12. Now in number 12th question we have given that sin square 6x minus sin square 4x is equal to sin 2x sin 10x. We know this formula, sin square a minus sin square b. This is equal to sin of a plus b into sin of a minus b. Okay. Now put this value in our formula. We get sin a plus b, that is 6x plus 4x into sin a minus b, sin 6x minus 4x. Sin a plus b, sin 10x and into sin 2x. This is our right hand side. Now 13th question try yourself and 14th question you have to already try yourself. Okay. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल इन द 14 क्वेश्चन आपने क्या करना है, साइन 2x और 6x पे CD फॉर्मूला अप्लाई करना है. आफ्टर दैट कॉमन आएगा, देन यू अप्लाई द नेक्स्ट अगेन CD फॉर्मूला, यू गेट द सोल्यूशन. नाउ कम टू द 15th क्वेश्चन. इन द 15th क्वेश्चन यू हैव टू सॉल्व लेफ्ट हैंड साइड एंड राइट हैंड साइड एज वेल, बोथ, बिकॉज यू हैव टू प्रूव दैट these results are equal or not. Now, in 15th question, cot of 4x into sin of 5x plus sin 3x. We have given in the left hand side. In right side, we have given cot x into sin of 5x minus sin of 3x. Apply the CD formula left hand side as well as right hand side. Okay, firstly I will explain left hand side. Cot क्या होता है? Cos upon sin. So you write cos upon sin. Sin c plus sin d. This is equal to 2 sin c plus d. That is 5x plus 3x. 8x, 8 upon 2. It becomes 4x. Into cos c minus d. That is 5 minus 3, 2 upon 1. It becomes this one is cancelled. So we get 2 cos 4x into cos x. Similarly, solve right hand side as well. Cot x is equal to cos upon sin c minus sin d. This is equal to 2 cos c plus d upon 2 again 4x into sin c minus d. It becomes sin x. Sin cancel by side. So this is our answer. Okay beta. Now come to the question number 16. In 16 question we have given cos 9x minus cos 5x upon sin 17x minus sin 3x. This is equal to minus sin 2x over cos 10x. Okay, you apply the CD formula in numerator as well as denominator, then you get the right hand side answer. Cos c minus cos d. This is equal to, now apply the CD formula in numerator and denominator. Cos c minus cos d. This is equal to 2 sin c plus d upon 2, 9 plus 15, 14 upon 2, it becomes 7. Okay, into sin d minus c, 5 minus 9, it becomes minus 4 upon 2, it becomes minus 2x over sin c minus sin d. This is equal to 2 cos c plus d, 17 plus 3, 20 upon 2, it becomes 10 into sin c minus d upon 2, 17 minus 3, 14 upon 2, it becomes 7x. 2 से 2 cancel बेटा, sin 7x cancel. Sin of minus theta is equal to minus sin theta because it is our odd function, and upon cos of 10x. This is our right hand side. Now question number 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Try yourself. Now come to the question number 22. This question is very easy. You get that what is our largest number in cot x, cot 2x, cot 3x. That means cot 3x is our larger number. So we can take cot 3x. cot 3x को हम cot x plus 2x लिख सकते हैं, yes or no? Yes. तो cot a plus b. cot a plus b क्या होता है? tan का रेसिप्रोकल. So this is equal to cot x into cot 2x minus 1 over cot x plus cot 2x. Okay beta. Now cross multiply this one. Cross multiply करो. cot 3x की cot x से multiply करोगे क्या आएगा? cot 3x into cot x plus cot 3x into cot 2x. This is equal to cot x into cot 2x minus 1. Now interchanging the values we get answer 1 here. This is equal to cot x cot 2x. ये दोनों पॉजिटिव है, वहां से क्या हो जाएंगी? नेगेटिव. So that this is equal to cot 3x into cot x minus cot 3x into cot 2x. This is our answer. यही हमने बेटा प्रूव करना था. Now question number 23, 24 and 25 are the same question. I will explain 23 question. In the 23rd question we have to given that tan 4x is equal to 4 into tan x into 1 minus tan square x over 1 minus 6 tan square x plus tan 4 square x. Now we apply the tan 2 theta's formula. Can we write tan of 4x, tan of 2 tan 2 theta is equal to 2 tan theta. Theta means 2x over 1 minus tan square theta. Okay. Now again apply tan 2x की जगह 2 theta का फॉर्मूला अप्लाई कर देंगे, because we know that tan 2 theta is equal to 2 tan theta over 1 minus tan square theta. Okay. Now apply here 2 into, ये क्या आ जाएगा हमारे पास 2 tan x over 1 minus tan square x. Similarly apply this formula in the numerator. This is equal to 2 tan x over 1 minus tan square x the whole square. Okay, 2 2s are 4 tan x over 1 minus tan square x. Now multiply LCM, 1 minus tan square x की whole square minus 2 2s are 4 tan square x upon numerator 1 minus tan square x की whole square. Okay. Now 1 power cancel हो जाएगी, firstly reopen. 1 minus a minus b की whole square, a square plus b square, that is square की square 4 minus 2ab 2 tan square x minus 4 tan square x over 1 minus tan square x की whole square. एक इसकी पावर 1 है, 1 कैंसिल हो जाएगा, 1 रह जाएगा, so that's why this is equal to 4 tan x. वो न्यूमिनेटर बन जाएगा 1 minus tan square x over 1 minus 2 minus 4, it becomes minus 6 tan square x plus tan 4x. देखो बेटा आपने यही प्रूफ करना था. लुक एट दिस क्वेश्चन ऑन योर बुक. ओके बच्चा, यही हमने प्रूफ करना था एंड वी गेट दिस रिजल्ट. Similarly 24 and 25 question same as it is, you have to solve it. Thank you so much.